हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, मी नितीन वारखडे, श्री साईनाथ महाराज विद्यालय, पुणे. In last lecture, we take complement of a set, universal set, and we solved example based on these types of sets. Now we start operations on sets. First operation is intersection of two sets. What is meant by intersection? Intersection means common element. Okay. The set of all common elements of set A and B is called the intersection of set A and set B. We denote this by this letter. A intersection B is equals to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Means this X related to both sets A and B. For example, A equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. B equals to 3, 5, 9. Therefore, A intersection B is equals to 3 and 5. These two are common elements. In Venn diagram, we denote this intersection by this part A intersection B. Now, there are some properties of intersection of two sets. First is A intersection B is same as B intersection A. A intersection A complement is equals to null set. A intersection A is equals to A. A intersection null set is equals to null set. If A is subset of B, then A intersection B is equals to set A. And if B is subset of A, then A intersection B is equals to B. Okay. Intersection means कॉमन एलिमेंट्स, दोन्ही संचामध्ये येणारे कॉमन एलिमेंट त्यांना आपण इंटरसेक्शन म्हणतो. नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन इज डिसजॉइंट सेट. इफ देर इज नॉट ए सिंगल कॉमन एलिमेंट इन सेट ए अँड सेट बी, देन द सेट आर कॉल्ड डिसजॉइंट सेट्स. मीन्स ए इज 1, 2, 3, बी इज 4, 8. सो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज इक्वल्स टू नल सेट. There is no common element. These two sets are different. So these two sets are called disjoint set. Now next operation is union of two sets. Okay. Union of two sets. Union means we have to take all the elements from both the sets. The set of all elements of set A and B is called the union of two sets A and B. Means A union B is equals to X belongs to A or X belongs to B. म्हणजे तो A चा घटक असेल किंवा B चाही असला तरी चालेल. मीन्स A is equals to P Q R S, B is equals to A B Q S D. So union means you have to take all elements from this set A and B. So we write A B Q P R S and D. Properties of union of two sets. A union B is same as B union A. A union A complement is always universal set. A union A we get set A. If we take union of A with null set, we get set A. If A is subset of B, then A union B is equals to B. And if B is subset of A, then A union B is equals to A. Union means we have to take all elements from set A and B. दोघांमधले सर्व एलिमेंट आपल्याला युनियनमध्ये घ्यावे लागतात. नेक्स्ट वी टेक वन फॉर्म्युला. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट. Number of elements in A union B is same as number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Okay. Using this formula, we solved example in practice set 1.4. First example, if number of elements in A equals to 15, n A union B is equals to 29, A intersection B is equals to 7, then we have to calculate NB. We write formula n A union B is equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So 29 is equals to 15 plus NB minus 7. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. So we shift that plus 8 to left side. So we get 29 minus 8 is equals to NB. So NB is equals to 21. Means number of elements in set B is equals to 21. Now next example. In a hostel there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee and 20 drink tea and coffee both. We have to find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. For tea we use symbol T and for coffee we use symbol C. Now total number of students is 125. NT means number of students who drink tea is equals to 80. Coffee is 60. T intersection C means those students who take tea and coffee, both the drinks, so it is equals to 20. T union C means number of students who take at least one of the drink, we have to calculate. So we use formula NT union C is equals to NT plus NC minus NT intersection C. What is NT? It is 80 plus 60 minus 20. 80 plus 60 is 140 minus 20. So that subtraction is 120. Means there are 120 students who take at least one of the drink. We have to calculate number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. So total student is 125 minus 120. So we get answer as 5. Okay. Now next example. In a competitive exam, 50 students passed in English, 60 students passed in maths, 40 students passed in both the subject. None of them fail in both the subject. We have to find out the number of students who passed at least in one of the subject. Okay. For English we take letter E. For maths we take letter M. And so NE is equals to 50, number of students passed in English. M, number of students passed in maths, is equals to 60. E intersection M means number of students passed in both, it is equals to 40. And E union M means we have to calculate the number of students passed in at least in one of the subject. So we use formula NE union M. So we use that formula and we get E union M is equals to NE plus NM minus E intersection M. So 50 plus 60 minus 40, that is 110 minus 40 is equals to 70. Therefore number of students passed in at least one of the subject is equals to 70. Now fifth example, there is one Venn diagram and we have to observe this Venn diagram and we have to write the following sets. So we write set A means this set X, Y, Z, M, N. B set, this set P, Q, R, M, N. Now A union B means we have to write this both sets X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R. U means universal set. We have to write all these elements X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M, N and S, T. A complement means we have to write elements except set E. म्हणजे ए मधले घटक सोडायचे आणि राहिलेले सगळे लिहायचे, म्हणजेच आपल्याला मिळतील P, Q, R, S, T. बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे बी मधले सर्व ड्रॉप करायचे X, Y, Z, S, T. देन ए युनियन बी कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे ए युनियन बी मधले सोडायचे राहिलेले लिहायचे, दॅट इज S, T. And we also write A intersection B, that is set that elements are M and N. Okay, so these are the example based on formula NA union B is equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. अशा पद्धतीने आपला फर्स्ट चॅप्टर सेट हा संपलेला आहे. सर्वांनी we have to write all the practice sets, definitions, formulae, properties in your notebook. Thank you.